Today I'm gonna show you my 3 steps for a flawless finish for my skin, so let's go. So obviously my first step was to just clean my face, and now I'm gonna do my face mask, which you already know from my previous videos, I mean from my shorts.
Please appear water. Please appear water. Please appear water.
Sorry she talks so much. I mean, I don't know what gender is, but I don't know. She talks so much, like she's making me crazy sometimes. So the
Please
first,
appear water.
just hear her, guys. It's exhausting. So the first thing, I'm gonna pour some water. So now I'm gonna add my fruit juice.
Please add the nutrient solution.
You kind of need to respect that you need to add 60 ml of water and 20 ml of fruit juice or whatever you
Please
want.
add the nutrient solution. Please add collagen peptide
Yes,
and press
my
start
boss.
button.
Peptide. Now until the mask
Please wait while processing.
will process, guys, I'm gonna put that little thing here and I'm gonna talk a little bit about the benefits of doing this. So first, the peptide is very good for your skin because it makes it like look much more younger. It makes it look much more elastic, and I don't know, since I just bought this face mask machine, I can't lie to you that I use, like, I don't know, every other day or something, but at least once a week I made a mask for myself, and I just made this like just a relaxing moment for myself. And sometimes I'm just doing this to my husband too. I mean, to my boyfriend, because he's not my husband right now, but he will be. Our face mask is done, guys. Let's pour it here. Oh my god. If you're wondering why these parts are here, it's because of the fruits that I
Please
just
switch
added.
to clean mode by pressing start button.
So guys, now my machine is cleaning, and we're gonna wait for the mask to just cool down and to be just strong enough to put on my face. So that's what we're going to do now. So here is our beautiful face mask, which I'm gonna put on my face in 1 minute, and I'm gonna lay in bed for a little moment of relaxation because I just like to relax myself a little bit. Oh my god, guys, I feel so weird in this, but it's so relaxing. I just advise you to do this because it's super relaxing, guys, and it's my favorite moment to do. I mean, when I have time for this, I always do this because I just like to lay in bed with this face mask on, and I just like to stay like this, like for 10 minutes or so. And I just like to do this for a little bit of relaxation moment for myself. A little bit of a me moment, basically. So now the face mask is gone, guys, and now we're gonna apply my foundation, and we're gonna blend this into our skin. I love to do this treatment like at least once a week because this makes me feel like renewed. I don't know, it just makes me feel like I just been to a salon and I just made like a facial spa or something. It just makes me feel so good, and I really advise you to just buy a machine like this if you like to do face mask on yourself and you don't want to just always need to buy face masks like those I don't know, face masks from Douglas or something. I don't really like those, honestly, like those tissue masks. I know that they are really popular right now, but I just don't feel them. I don't know, I prefer this, and I like this because I just can make them as I want. Now I'm gonna blend the foundation a little bit with my foundation brush because this will make the skin look much more better than the other one, and this makes it look much more smoother on the skin. Okay, now I will take a little bit of contour and I'm gonna bronze my face a little bit with some powder contour. Now I will make my brows, which you already know, I will make them fluffy. That's the thing, I think nobody will change about me. My fluffy brows, nobody can change that. And I think I will never change them. I just love this trend. I think this is the first trend that I just love so much, and I just continued to do it like after so long. Now I'm going to do my lips, and I'm gonna use this brush because if you saw my previous videos, you already know that I like to make my lip contour with an eyeshadow. I just think that this looks much more natural, and it's much more easier if you don't have a lip liner to use. I mean, if you don't have that color that you just want to use for this, you can use. So guys, I need to tell you that this is my favorite way to just prepare my face for, I don't know, for some foundation and the full face of makeup. Look how cute my face looks right now, and look how natural this makes my face to look. And also a thing that you need to remember if you just buy this machine, it will be that the peptides will be hard to find. I mean, in my city at least, it's super hard to just find them. I don't know why they are not like much more easier to find, but I don't know. Maybe in your city it will be much more easier. So your girl Glammedblondie finished her job, and now we are looking so cute and our face is so hydrated. If you like this video, go and press that like, bell and subscribe button, because we will meet a little bit later. Now I'm going to do another makeup tutorials for you.